Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the arrays. Okay, single array, single dimensional array. Okay. So in last video we already discussed, right, arrays. What is the array? What is the general syntax? What is the single? How we can declare single, multiple? So this thing theoretical we know, right? Already we discussed in last video. Okay. So in this video today we are going to discuss proper example. I will take write one example. Understand like how we can access, how we can declare. Okay, a single variable. Okay, and how we can modify. Suppose I'm already in array of 5, I'm given some value. If I want to modify, okay, I want to update some new value. Okay, so we can also see. Okay, and in arrays, like how we can do loop. I want to use loop. Okay, so that we can also see here. Okay, with the help of some example. Okay, so let's start, right. So array, we know, right, array is a collection of elements where we can store in the different in memory, continuously in memory. Okay, or we can say that in a single variable we can store multiple value in the same data types. Okay, so that is the noise array, we can say that. Okay, so single dimensional array. Good. So first of all we see syntax. Okay, syntax we will see. So syntax is same like how I explained in last video, same only. Like first of all we have to give the data type, data types. Okay, then array name, then array size. Okay, this is the declaration. Okay, so in data type we have to take integer. Okay, array name take array, size of array is 5. So this is what declaration of array. Okay, general syntax. Okay, so and if you want to initialize, you can initialize here only, no issue. Take any number, open the curly bracket, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 up to 5 written we know, right, because our size is 5 only, right, so that's why I written 5 only. Okay, if it is 6 I can write 6, like any number you can give, just I'm giving for example. Okay, don't write like 1 2 3 I'm given 6 means up to 6 I have to write, don't think like that. Okay, any number you can write, just I'm taking example. Okay, so 5. Okay, yeah, so this is the declaration and initialization of single dimensional array. Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so next, what we will see means, yeah, so if you want to access, okay, if you want to access, okay, we access. Okay, right, so normally you can also, if you want to print, see, better I will write with some example. Okay, see, I will take some example in main. Okay, in bracket and okay, array size of 5. Okay, slice 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you mean we are declare and initialize the array. Okay, single array. Okay, now if you want to print, if you want to access, so how can we print? So if you want to print pf percentage d comma array index of what, so we know, right, in arrays we are counting from index, right, so our index is always starting from 0. Okay, so index of 0, what is the 1, index of 1 means this is the index. Okay, 0 means 1, index of 1, what is the value of 2, what is index of 2 value is 3. What is index of 3 value is 4. What is index of 4 value is 5. So this is the index and this is the value where we are initializing this variable, array variable, okay, and size of 5. Okay, so if I want to print array of what index you want to print, if you want to print index of 2, okay, index of 2 we want to print, okay, so what is the output will come? So you can see here we can count from index 0, 1, 2, okay, so index of 2 means what is the value? 3. So the output it should be 3. Okay, so output will come 3. Like that we can access. Okay, okay. So if you want to use loop, okay, you can directly print all the value. Okay, so is for I equal to 0. Okay, so I is less than equal to 5. Okay, then I plus plus. Okay, inside we can print. So we know na loop. If you are following my video, already I discussed why we are using loop. If you want to repeat value, okay. If you want to irradiation, you want to do how much 1, 10, 5. Yeah, how much size is there? 5. So I want to condition we are given up to 5. Want to print, okay, number irradiation I want to do. So see, I equal to 0 here given, so it will I will take as an index. Okay, so what is the index 0? That should be, it will print. Okay, and here we will print percentage d, percentage d. Okay, then I and array of I. Okay, so why percentage we are giving is 1 for printing for I, 1 for printing for array of I. Okay, so here I didn't declare, you can declare int here only, int. Okay, okay, int I equal to 0. Okay, then it will check what is the index of I equal to 0. 0 means 1 it will print. Next it will go to another loop. Oh, I equal to 1. Index of 1 means 2. Index of 2 means 3. Like that it will print 1. Index of 6. How it will print means index of 0 means 1 will print. Index of, this is the index. Okay, index of 1 means 2 it will print. 2 means 3, 3 means 4, 4 means 5. So this is the index it will print up to how many condition I equal to 5. Okay, that much it will print. Okay, so this is how we can access and print array. Okay, see, one more things I want to explain here. See, the output should will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Correct. Suppose I want to modify, already value is initialized, no value, no issue. But if I want to modify, suppose array of, okay, array of 5 is given size. So in array index 0 means 1 already initialized, right? 1 means 2, 3 means. So if I want to change here, index of 2 means 3 is the value, right? So I want to change. Okay, I want to change index of 2, index. Okay, understand. So marker is not working properly. So index of 2, okay, index of 2 I'm initializing some different value, like I initialize 100. Okay, got it? This is the modify. I want to do modify or update. Okay, 100 I'm given. Index of in 2. Previously, what is the index of 2 value is 3, right? So if you are printing this one, 3 will print. Okay, no issue. If after modifying index of 2 value is 100, if you will print now, okay, 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 it's not working now. Okay, so no issue. Understand? So see, index of 2. Okay, what is the output will come? 100 it will come. It will replace. Replace means it will be modified. It will take the this value after if you are printing means. Okay, so this is what the I want to explain. We can do modification also in array. Okay, so yeah, this what is the this is what the single dimensional array which I want to explain. Okay, we can modify also. Okay, we can use for loop also if you want to print directly, if you want to rotation if you want to do. Okay, and we can access. Okay, and thing to remember means the index always started from the 0. Always remember. Okay, from 0, 1, 2, 3 like you can any. So suppose size is 10, 10 element is there. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, anyhow it will index. If you saying the index is 0 means 1. The remember means you can count from 0 only. The index start from 0. That is main things we have to remember in array. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching this video. For next video we will meet the multi dimensional or two array dimensional. Okay, thank you for watching this video.